Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. I hope that you have done your previous homework regarding summary writing. While our today's target is to do grammar in use on page number 21 and where we would do review of tenses. Moving forward, today we are going to review simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense. My dear students, when we will go back to our school and join our classrooms, there we would analyze each of these tense in detail with proper worksheets. But at this moment, we are just going to take an overview of their structure and usage. First of all, we have simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to tell about your daily routines or state certain facts. For example, earth revolves around the sun, or I wake up daily at 9 o'clock. So there I use simple present tense, and its usage, its structure is subject, first form of the verb, and object. As you can see in these examples, we do our homework daily. Tigers go to river every day. Gulale likes to bake in free time. Now if you look at these three highlighted words in red color, these are the first form of the verbs do, go and like. Moving forward, we have simple past tense. Basically, simple past tense is used to narrate about something that happened in the past, just as we narrate stories in the past tense. Its structure is subject with second form of the verb. In simple present tense, we use first form. In simple past tense, we use second form of the verb. As you can see in these examples, Yahya did his homework. Tigers went to river yesterday. Students of grade 6 painted the wall. Now if you see at these three highlighted words, these are basically second form of the verbs. Did is the second form of do, went is the second form of go, painted is the second form of paint. Now if I say that that Yahya does his homework, it means this is something he is doing daily. But when I'm narrating about something that he did this thing yesterday or few days ago, then I would simply use second form of the verb. Also, if I say the tigers, it is the ritual of tigers that they go daily or to the river. So I would say tigers go to river daily. But when I'm stating about something that happened yesterday, then I would use second form of the verb. Tigers went to river yesterday. Moving forward, we have present continuous tense. Now my students, remember that whenever you hear about the word continuous tense, either it is present, past or future, remember first form of verb would be used with ing. Now we would look the structure of present continuous tense. Subject is rm and first form of verb with ing. It is used to tell about something that is happening right now. It is raining, I am walking, I am studying, or I am teaching. Examples are, we are attending our lecture. My sister is baking a cake for me. They are going to market to bring fruits. Now if you see, helping verb are, is, are used, and then first form of verb attend, bake, go are used. And then with each first form of verb, they are using ing. I hope that it is clear. Moving next, we have present perfect tense. This is the tense which we have done in detail in the previous chapter as well. And it is used for something that has been completely done, the action that has been completed. And its structure is subject with has, have, and third form of the verb. As you can see the examples, tigers have suffered due to deforestation. I have completed my homework. Hassan has painted the wall. Now if you see that they are using have, has, and then they are using third form of the verb. Suffer, suffered, suffered, complete, completed, completed, paint, painted, and painted. Moving forward, we have a small exercise to do. You have to identify the tense. The boys of grade 6 are playing hockey. Yes, try to identify this tense. it is present continuous tense, because after reading this tense I am getting the idea that this is something that is right now happening. And if you see, in present continuous tense we use helping verb are, and with it we are using first form of verb with ing. Moving forward, Khatija drinks milk every morning. This tense is present indefinite tense, because it is something that is kind of daily routine, and we see the structure as well that they are using first form of verb. Next we have Maham has eaten all the biscuits. After reading this sentence, I get the idea that Maham has finished all the biscuits. It means something that has been completely finished. So this tense is present perfect tense. And if we look at its structure, then we see the writer is using has and third form of the verb eat, ate, eaten. Next we have Hanzala always carried an umbrella. So basically it is the tense about past, and it is simple past tense, and if we look at its structure, then we can see they are using second form of verb carry, carried, carried. So they are using second form of the verb, and it is simple past tense. I hope that you understood the structure of these tenses. When we would go back to our classrooms in our school, we would do each of these tenses in detail with proper worksheets. At this moment, note down your homework. Your homework is that you have to do exercise D and E of page number 21 on your books. You have to just identify those tenses, that which tense is being used by the writer. And our ending quote of the day is, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So hard work is the key to success, and I hope that you are doing hard work during this time.